Hello. Hello, hello. Hi there. Can I hear myself? Scared. Yes, I can hear myself. Hi there. Yes. Okay, perfect. Woohoo! Okay. Trading view. I need YouTube chat. YouTube chat. YouTube chat. How do I see the chat? How do I see the chat? Bitcoin watch party. Hold on, hold on. I didn't mean to make this a video. Bitcoin watch party. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Edit. Hold. Private. Done. One watching. Is that me? Got it. Alright. Hopefully, we should be able to see anyone who joins. Alright. Hourly. That's not good enough. We gotta go into the minutely. 5 minutes. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. What does it look like? 30 moving average. Volume. How can we watch it live? Watch Bitcoin trading. XBT maybe? XBT trading. No. Start trading. I want this chat. How do I pop out this chat? Pop out. Yes, there we go. I just want to see people trading. Maybe Coinbase. Let's not reveal any sensitive information, please. Oh my gosh. I don't wanna, I just wanna see people trading. Oh boy. It's gonna reveal my information, isn't it? Hi there! I see someone joined me. Crypto Neo, welcome. Ah, here we go, perfect. This is exactly what I want. Here we go. Let's go to Bitcoin. Look at that. There's a lot of people buying. Oh my gosh, look at that solid 10%. I think this is the biggest Bitcoin candle this is maybe the biggest candle we've seen on the daily. Yeah, look at that. Look at that daily candle. Holy shit. It's a thick green candle. All-time high. Perfect time to buy. Absolutely. That's right. Perfect time. Oh my gosh. We can do a replay. Not available. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Is any of these coins performing better than Bitcoin? Let's see. XRP's performing better. Litecoin is performing better. What else? Let's go to CoinGecko. CoinGecko. No, not portfolio. Although my portfolio is performing pretty well. Gosh. It's hard not to do well. Everything's doing well. Literally everything. Look, I can't. There's like everything's green. It's not a single red candle here in the past 24 hours. Oh, okay, never mind. I was wrong. BNT. Elron, that's so sad. Elron was doing so good this week, up 76%, and now all of a sudden it's down today. That's not a big deal. Kusama is not doing well. All right. What's the most up? UMA. UMA is decentralized lending protocol, if I remember correctly. Oh, it looks like it's about to pop off. Literally everything looks like a good investment when you enter the bull market. You know, it's just everything looks amazing. It's hard. You can't make a bad investment in this environment. Okay. What else should we be looking at? View base. Let's go. View base. Let's see. Exchange flows. Here we go. Let's see where the exchange flows are going for Bitcoin. Perfect time to buy. Let's see. Really, there's actually Bitcoin has entered the exchange today, which means people were selling. Although this doesn't reflect the over-the-counter buying, so this might not be an accurate representation of where Bitcoin's moving. The past 7 days, there's been 4,000 Bitcoin has left the exchanges, all the exchanges combined. And over the last 30 days, 9,000 Bitcoin has left the exchanges. Wow. Yeah. Look at that. Let's see how much there is on exchange. There's only 1.5 million Bitcoin left on the exchanges. That is not a lot of Bitcoin. I feel like, how much Bitcoin is that? 1.5 million times 20,000. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's gonna be like 35, right? 30. So $30 billion worth of Bitcoin? Yeah. There's $30 billion worth of Bitcoin on exchanges, which is not a lot. That's not a lot at all. Is that right? Times current price. 1.5 million, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 32 billion. There's only 32 billion Bitcoin left on the exchange. Oh, you see nothing on the video? Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank you for telling me. Thank you. I can't believe it was just me that whole time. Oops. This video is terrible. There we go. I can't believe you should have said something sooner. I didn't know. I was looking at Coin360. So looking at the overall market, Bitcoin is outperforming most coins except for XRP and Litecoin. But overall, Bitcoin is leading the market. Looking at this candle, this is the thickest candle pretty much ever on the daily chart. Like, yeah. Looks like this is a parabolic candle, which means you can expect some like exuberance, you know, like we could double the price in a couple days. That's what happens when the candles start going crazy. Yeah, oh my god, look at that candle. It's the thickest candle I've ever seen in my life. And then we can look at the Coinbase, so we can look at the live trading. We can see there's actually people buying Bitcoin. Like a lot of people are buying Bitcoin at this price. I would love to see the big buys and not all the small buys. And then I was looking at Viewbase, and we're looking at how much Bitcoin is on exchanges. So in the last 30 days, 9,000 Bitcoin has left the exchange, all the exchanges, and there's only 5 million Bitcoin left on exchanges, which works out to $32 billion. So if you think about $32 billion is not that much money compared to assets under management by most companies is, you know, that's a couple like medium size or like the Dow top 100 whatever. You know, let's look at the net worth of some of the companies on that. S&P of companies. Thank you for being with me. FOMO time. That's right. This is all the news outlets are getting into this as we speak. I wonder a good metric to determine how many people are FOMOing into cryptocurrency. Maybe we should look at meta-analysis. So Google Trends is a good one. Google Trends. Another one is subreddit stats. Okay. The S&P, so yeah, I want to see the net worth of these companies. S&P 500 net worth of companies. Companies by market capitalization. Here we go. This is what I want to see. Can I see? Can I see? Okay. So 2 trillion. I mean, already one company, 2 trillion. You know, imagine that if Apple bought all the Bitcoin, they could buy all the Bitcoin, and it wouldn't even be a tenth of their total value. No, it would be, yeah, it would be a tenth of their total value. Holy shit! Apple could literally buy every. I mean, you can't buy every Bitcoin because not everyone's selling, but they have enough capital to do that. Yeah, I mean, holy shit! PayPal, like PayPal is the size of Bitcoin. Like, Bitcoin is still so tiny, and there's only like 32 billion worth of Bitcoin left on exchanges. So that's nothing. That's actually nothing. All right, Google Trends. Do some meta analysis. Let's see. Let's shorten our time frame to the last 30 days. Interesting. Well, that's just in the United States. What about worldwide? Interesting. I thought it would have been an upward arch. Maybe we need to look at a longer time frame. Huh. I was expecting it to really be taking off. Maybe I'm looking at it wrong. I don't know. All right, let's do some meta-analysis and look at the subreddit cryptocurrency. Get stats. Oh boy. See, this is a good way to determine if FOMO's kicking in. So if people are joining, so these are subscribers to the cryptocurrency subreddit. And what this means is that the community has not stopped growing, right? So in 2018, there was 600,000 people. And then today, there's over 1.1 million. And just since the start of the year, we've gone up like 20%. So, and we can see the comments per day. That's also very, very FOMO. Look at all these people who are getting excited. This being lower means there's also a lot more people commenting. Posts per days taking off. So this means a lot of people are posting on the cryptocurrency subreddit. Oh, I would love to see number of Twitter hashtags. Can I see this metric? That'd be a good metric. How many tweets? Yes, a hashtag has. This is exactly what I want to see. Is this a paid for content? Twitter and analytics. So, Mr. Crypto Neo, are you still around? This is not gonna work out. I wanted to look at it, but it's not gonna work. Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. $31,000 Bitcoin traded in the last 24 hours. Price is up 10%. Current price is $21,400. Markets are going crazy. There's a lot of buy side pressure. When the green side is slimmer than the red side, it means that they're buying. I just realized I revealed my name there. I don't want to show that. Let's look at the cryptocurrency subreddit. So I took part in 14 airdrops worth $2,800. What is this? You know the hack of Nice Hash in 2017? They will refund all customers today at 100%. No, I did not know that. Is there a link? Or I can just look it up. Nice Hash 2017. Let's look at that up. Interesting. What does this mean? The Nice Hash. That sounds familiar. More than 70 million in stolen Bitcoin hack. So this is probably boring for you because you've already seen it, but it's super interesting to me. So there's 70 million worth of potential Bitcoin sell pressure. Yeah, if I got a bunch of Bitcoin out of nowhere, I probably would hold it, but most people would probably sell it, I'm guessing. Interesting. Let's listen to this.
Tonight's profitable moment. Is Bitcoin Tulip mania for the 21st century? That's what everybody's asking at the moment.
Tulip
well, on
mania.
this program, you had the man who won the Nobel Prize for Economics talking, Bob Schiller, talking about Bitcoin and saying, yes, it certainly looks like a bubble, but it doesn't mean to say that it hasn't got value underneath it. And yet I can't help feeling there is something intrinsically wrong with an investment or any form of asset that goes up 12% yesterday, another 13% today, and since the beginning of the year is up over 1,000%. When most of us don't use it,
it's up, oh, I see. Nice Hash is, I think I know which cryptocurrency that is, but let me look it up on CoinGecko to be sure. Nice Hash CoinGecko. I feel like I've heard of miners talking about switching between Nice Hash and Ethereum mining. Yeah, I knew it. I just I don't know enough about this coin. I just know that it's a proof of work coin, right? Cool. After the hack, I switched for Pol. Let's see what Pol is. Nice Hash. I see. Most profitable and easy. Oh, mining software. Okay. Yeah, you'll have to explain to me, dude. I'm not familiar with the mining scene. Unfortunate.
It doesn't have any underlying value or asset or monetary base.
Okay.
But we have to...
No underlying value. I think this is one of the stupidest arguments I've ever heard. Because one, our fiat system has no underlying value. So it's like two Spider-Mans pointing at each other. You don't have value. No, you don't have value. It just doesn't make sense. But also, the Bitcoin network is secured by a bunch of hashing out computers. Right? The network is extremely secure and decentralized. So that is what gives it its value. Is the ability to attack the network would require hundreds of billions of dollars, and you'd have to secure all this mining hardware. And by the time you've done that, you've already pushed up the price so much that you have to keep buying. So yeah, the hash rate is what gives Bitcoin its value, right? As people power the network. So yeah, that's how I would argue Bitcoin gets its value. Mining pools, I see. You switched after the hack, so you were around during the 2017 hack then.
To divorce this from a natural prejudice against what seems to be something new and different from the fact that a cryptic currency is going to come along. And maybe Bitcoin just...
All right, let's watch some videos on Bitcoin. Get some good energy going. Oh, my own video is recommended to me. Thank you, YouTube. You know what I want. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Dude, my computer, please run faster. What we're gonna do is open my playlist, the Bitcoin playlist. Bitcoin. It's not here. Bitcoin. There. I watched this video. Jim Cramer. Oh, this is a good one. Jim Cramer.
Investors who've been watching and they're hesitant. You bought some Bitcoin this morning.
Yeah, I just fell down back to 17. It seemed like a decent level. And I will buy, like I usually do, as something comes down, I'll get bigger and bigger and bigger. I just think that you want to diversify into all sorts of asset classes. I have gold. I want to diversify into some Bitcoin. Not a big position for me, but it's certainly important to be diversified. And Bitcoin is an asset, and I want to have a balance of assets.
I like this idea of it being an asset and you balance it out with the rest of your portfolio. But for investors who are watching this perhaps and they've been hesitant to make moves, especially into Bitcoin, what's your advice for them? And what kind of homework do they need to start doing before they even hit the purchase button?
Ed Pomp, I was on his show from Twitter. I think that there's ample literature outside about what it does. But I also think that you just have to recognize the history of it, that it ran up and then ran down. It got too much money, got too hot. So there's no reason not to wait for it to come down again. Why did I buy it here then? Well,
That's interesting. It's a hard argument to make to have any money not in cryptocurrency at this point. Mining pools, yeah, lol. He talk like Yoda. He does talk a bit like Yoda. Oh, that's a funny comment. If you don't know, subscribe to this guy. Willy Woo. Let's check out what Willy Woo's tweeting. We are not at all-time high juncture where the Bitcoin top cap model starts curving upwards. Interesting. Willy Woo, where is his tweet? I remember he had an excellent tweet. That's alright. So he's suggesting that 400k is our next stop. If we just take this model and we follow the progression line, it would suggest that we would be at 200k before the end of 2021, potentially. Yeah, that's what that looks like to me. Let's look at this. Alt season index. So very, very, very Bitcoin season. Well, actually, it's interesting. It looks like we're gonna sit in the Bitcoin season for a little bit longer. I see it. It looks like it wants to dip back down. It's Bitcoin season, everyone. This is a really good index, by the way. I should probably put a link to this in the description. Well, you guys can see what it's called. Jim Cramer.
For me, everything is all about the lifestyle. And, that's what you live for, is your life. I don't live for my Bitcoin. The Bitcoin creates my life. My opinions are, in life, have cash flow, and then own Bitcoin. First thing is invest in yourselves. You create a business. It's a high margin business. It generates an income. It affords you the opportunities to make investments and have a lifestyle, right? That's all that matters.
Oh, we should look at the Bitcoin dominance. That's what I should look at. BTC.D. Let's look at this. What do you mean there's no BTC.D? There it is. Okay, Bitcoin dominance. Wow. Wowie wow. Interesting. It looks like it's breaking out of a trend. Am I wrong? It looks like it's just, it's not going to retouch this line, is what it looks like. So Bitcoin dominance actually might be doing something. I don't know. I don't know how to describe this. It's yeah, Bitcoin dominance looks like it's making it working its way out, making a new trend. So maybe it's gonna do something like this. That looks right. Set a new trend. And then it's gonna do something like this. Yeah. Bitcoin dominance could continue to climb. All right, 1 second. The screen might go dark while I pull up this image. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Sorry about the dark screen. I think the screen's dark right now. I'm trying to find this image. Glassnode. Here we go. Glassnode. That's what I want. Okay. Okay. Should be open again. All right. There we go. The Bitcoin price. Let's see. After starting the week at 19,000, Bitcoin started to gradually decline in price, reaching a weekly low of 17,000 on Friday. After this point, though, it quickly began to rebound, ending the week back above 15K or 19K. Bitcoin's long-term, I don't know how to pronounce that, LHMRV, is currently providing an extremely bullish signal. MRV is the ratio of market cap to realized cap and gives an indication of when the traded price of Bitcoin is above or below fair value. So this is the fair value line. All right. Let's see what it looks like. So Bitcoin is at fair value. Long-term holders are still holding onto their Bitcoin. And at this time in 2017, when Bitcoin broke its all-time high, it still rallied another 1,400%. So Bitcoin, what would 1,400% from here be? What would that look like? Why don't we go and find out? I have so many tabs open, I need to close them all. Closing. I can't close this one. Okay. I'm back. For the bears. Despite overwhelmingly bullish on-chain signals, Bitcoin may indicate, I don't know what this is. I think this is people in profit. So as Bitcoin reaches its all-time high and everyone's in profit, there's going to be sell-side pressure from people who just want to take out their profit. So that's not too surprising. Not too surprising at all. Anything else? Why don't we go to Glassnode? Take us there. Okay, this week on chain. Let's read this Glassnode article. Bitcoin started and ended this past week above 19K, failing to top its... Oh, well, this is already out of date. This was posted, what, 2 days ago? And it's already out of date now. Bitcoin price moves real fast. I see. So this is just the full article. Willy Woo. I think I follow him. Don't. Interesting. Dun 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 dun. This is looking at the Cardano price. So it's not a measured move, but yeah, I'm kind of expecting Cardano to break out as well. Pretty much every altcoin is also going to break out, without a doubt. So that's why some people will ask why I don't have any Bitcoin. And, well, the answer is I should have Bitcoin. But my answer would be that altcoins will outperform Bitcoin 100 to 1. And that's not to say Bitcoin won't perform extremely well. It's to say that altcoins just have exponentially smaller market caps and also have new technologies to offer. So, yeah, everyone should have some room for altcoins in their portfolio. Let's look at Crow. Crow is really interesting. So, Crow is a massive pump and then a massive dump. Let's look at the trend line, or the, let's see at what percentage it went. It went up 340% over how long? 161 days? Wow. and then I want to see how far has it fallen since its all-time high. And then it fell 70%. Holy. But what this means is if you are looking to get into Crow, so you want to use their debit card or you want to use their app as a fiat on-ramp, right now might actually be a really solid time to get in because, you know, it might do this, which would be crazy. But who knows? Maybe Crow's a bad investment still. Yeah, do you hate Crow? I get it, man. Crypto.com, terrible communication. They're very shady. We can't look at their books, so we don't know how liquid they are. And yeah, I feel like they have a bad influence over the community. They provide incentives that harm themselves and their competitors. So yeah, probably a bad I mean, from the technical standpoint, it looks like a really solid investment. However, from a fundamental standpoint, I don't really like the company at all. Maybe we should look at some more charts. Actually, this is kind of fun. DPI, I don't know what this is. DeFi Pulse. Oh, I see. Wrapped in Ether. Wrapped in smart contracts. Okay, so this is looking at as a percentage of stablecoins locked in DeFi. I don't know. I don't remember what this is. Ethereum. Ethereum's also breaking out, it looks like. Yeah, just for the card is okay, but as an investment, it's a terrible investment. There's a really high amount of inflation. The Crypto.com has screwed over their investors so many times over that, without a doubt in my mind, they will continue to leave their investors out in the cold, you know, if it means a profit for them. And without a doubt. What market should we be looking at? Let's do Ethereum against Bitcoin. Is that what we're looking at? No. Ethereum XBT. Here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, that's right. I do remember making this chart now. Wow, look at this big red candle. What happened? Someone wanted to sell their Ethereum for Bitcoin and looks like there wasn't enough liquidity, and so they ended up selling at a really bad price. I feel bad for whoever that was. They probably lost a frick ton of money. Other indexes. I wonder if we should look at the US dollar. Let's look at the US dollar. Oh my god. So, the US dollar is declining. Not surprising, but is this actually bullish for the US dollar? Because look. It did the same thing back here, and then it had a huge pop off. Maybe it's doing the same thing right now. I don't know. I see a parallel, you know? I don't want to hold US dollars, but from this chart, it doesn't look bad. I mean, yeah, it's probably a terrible investment because there's so much inflation. They're gonna print so much money that I don't know if this chart matters. I don't know. Trump is reportedly considering a pardon for the Silk Road founder Ross Ulbricht. Oh my god, I really hope that he gets pardoned. He was the operator for the Silk Road, and while the evidence to suggest that he was the person doing it, because he had files on his computer, while that is damning evidence, there were so many other things he was accused of, which you can't directly say were him. Like, there's a bunch of assassinations, and they blamed him for it. You know, I don't know. Mixed feelings about this guy. I think he's an innovator for sure. Like, he should work for the U.S. government, if anything, because he understands cryptocurrency and the darknet. So, seems like a valuable asset. You know, he's a very smart human. Let's read it. The U.S. President Donald Trump said to be weighing a pardon for Ross Ulbricht, founder of the now-defunct dark web market Silk Road, who was serving a life sentence. According to a report from Daily Beast on Tuesday. The White House Counsel Office has been reviewing the documents related to Ulbricht's case, citing 3 people with knowledge of the matter. The report said Trump was informed of the case recently as well. Let's read the report. What is the report? Report. Sorry, the screen's dark, and it's because I'm looking at another tab. One second. My channel. Okay, I'm back. No, I'm not. Trump is considering clemency for Silk Road founder. What would this, I don't know how these pardons work. Can you just pardon anyone and then they're like forgiven? In his final weeks in the office, before Joe Biden's inauguration, President Trump is weighing granting clemency to Raul Ulbricht, the founder and former, guy from the Silk Road. According to 3 people familiar with the matter, the White House Counsel Office has had documents related to Ulbricht's case under review. Interesting. I think Raul Ulbricht is, I don't know. I don't think he's he's like a real life, what's his name? The guy who makes meth. Who's a chemistry teacher, famous on TV. Breaking Bad, I don't remember what he's called. It reminds me of that guy. Okay. What are the subreddits? Wall Street Bets? Let's see what Wall Street Bets is thinking about. If they're even thinking about cryptocurrency right now. I think you get banned from Wall Street Bets if you even talk about it. Me preparing to throw large sums of money at the new meme stock. Caution, autistic child at play. The person of the year. Oh my god. I gotta repost this. I think one thing that Crypto.com, sorry, I'm going to talk about Crypto.com. One thing they do really well is handle, well, maybe not. I always felt like they handled their security and privacy pretty well. Although you do get emails after every single transaction, which leaves breadcrumbs of exactly what you were doing. So, yeah, I don't know. Dun 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 dun. Guys, Adam Back liked my tweet. Can you believe this? He actually liked my tweet, and this is not even the last time. He's liked my tweet before. Adam Backed. He's a very, he's actually probably one Satoshi. Holy shit, XRP went up another 10%. What the hell is happening right now? XRP? Question mark? Guys, do you hold XRP? Like, I thought this was just a shitcoin. I like Stellar Lumens because it's like XRP, but they actually use Stellar, don't they? Am I wrong? Maybe it's just a trading thing, you know? When the cryptocurrency market takes off, they just like all run to XRP because of what happened last time. Is that really it? Is there more to it than that? Oh my god, am I looking? Oh my god. You guys can't even see what I'm looking at, can you? I'm so sorry. Why don't you tell me these things? There. How long has it been like this? You guys... How long? XRP, holy shit. Let's look at XRP. XRP. All. Bitcoin? Okay. Well, you didn't miss anything because I accidentally had... The screen was black again, and I didn't even realize until I opened my OBS. I need your help to make sure I don't do that. You liked my video? Which one? The most recent one? Holy shit. Look at XRP, man. This is... Let's see this. 11,000% gains against Bitcoin. This is unreal. I can't imagine 11,000% against Bitcoin, like of all things. Is XRP a good investment? I don't want to buy it. Oh, the other video, the Secret Network. You watched the Secret Network one? Dude, I love Secret Network. It's a solid community. Time magazine. Did you see this picture? Time magazine. It's a picture of a printer. Let's check out what happens when I search Google. Sorry, when I search Bitcoin. Let's do it on Google so we can get see what results are coming up right now. Get that Google Trends going. Did you like the video? You probably, if you're watching me now, you probably like the video. Is Bitcoin a good investment? (2017). Gosh, it hasn't even started. Look at the Google search trends. The FOMO hasn't even started. I mean, I would say today is when the FOMO begins.
There's a reflexive loop that's going to happen. It's so obvious. Is the US has approved custody of Bitcoin for certain banks, which is a code word for prime broking for hedge funds, which means the hedge funds will see this. Most of them haven't got custody yet, but soon they will. And that means that they will come into this space because they can trade multi-asset class. So that sucks them in. And I've talked about this. The next is the ETF will get launched at some point. Somebody will get it off the ground. And then all the RIAs buy it for their customers because it's out.
Hold on. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do display capture instead of video capture. So yeah, now you can see everything.
Performing everything, and they love to be cheap and chase the trade. So this is going to be the strongest trade now. So you got the hedge funds and the RIAs. We know the family office space is already interested, and they get sucked in the more the price goes up and the narrative goes up and more people.
Oh, hold on. I thought I uploaded another video today. Did I not upload another video? Dude, I forgot to upload another video. I forgot. I gotta do this on stream. Wait, is it here? Is it just not published? Wait, it's here. Is it private? Wait, what? What's going on? Is it private? Blocked. Copyright claims. What? My video got blocked. Huh. Editor. God, how do I not get blocked? Oh. Huh. Can I see which part got blocked? Dude, I got censored on YouTube. I didn't realize. I can't show the clip. Fuck. Litecoin 13% today. Let me check it out. Coin 360. Actually, we can go to CoinGecko. Dude, I uploaded another video today that I thought you were talking about, but it turns out it got removed by YouTube just for copyright instantly. Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin is performing really well. I wanna the Bitcoin Litecoin chart. Litecoin. Let's do it like this. Litecoin, Bitcoin. Yes. Yeah, this is why. Because look, I mean, it's hard to argue against the lines, right? People see this and they're like, I gotta buy Litecoin, you know? It's gonna blow up. Do you have Litecoin? I mean, if you have Litecoin, congrats, because Litecoin, XRP, Bitcoin, literally any cryptocurrency, and you're like doing super, super well. Oh my god, I messed up my video again. You gotta tell me. There. You can see it now, right? Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it now. Dude, my streaming, I'm not good at streaming. I keep messing it up. Alright, maybe I should end the stream here. I feel like I'm not doing anything too interesting. This stream was terrible. Oh well. I'll see you around.